Sometimes I wanna be alone. Who no love me, make me chill alone. Me just have a mood swing. No one hear no talking from my phone. I van plan on the internet strong. No worry about nobody, yeah man. Keep myself to myself.
Hola. Bala. Where give my gun salute, Panawana? Where give my gun salute? Yeah, man. Yo. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. You know, from you can see from the title, guys, I'm here with another dope hit, smash hit, another banger from a dope ass artist called Takeover. He's a new artist from Jamaica, and he dropped a new video and song about 3 days ago called Alien Mode. Yeah, I'm going to check it out today and react to it for the first time. So, you guys, if you already know the song, you can check out the video together. If you're new and you haven't seen it, we can check it out together. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, you guys are the best. We're growing over here, guys. We're getting stronger. I want to thank you for the continued love and support. We're getting lit over. We're going to be the latest channel on YouTube, so stay tuned for the upcoming shout out and giveaways, okay? I don't want you guys to miss that. So, yeah. We're going to check out Takeover's new video and song called Alien Mode. I haven't heard either of them. They dropped 3 days ago. We're going to check it out together, all right? Let's get right into the track. This is Takeover, Alien Mode. Let's get it.
Short up, chop. So you know, proud him in the dark phone. Yeah. So I'm at the point where they go on, dog. Here the phones are ringing out, dog. Here the voice me, dog.
Yeah, that's a puppy done. No wild dog man just like chill by themself, you know. Make myself a strong cup of liquor. Turn up the music, make it play, and you know, just a scroll through the internet. Yeah, dog. Then where them from? Map Skull can't tell them. From my phone, I van plan on the internet strong. No worry about nobody, yeah man. Keep myself to myself. Keep myself to myself. I'm in an alien mode, I'm dying on my zone. Right now I just a scroll through my phone. Keep myself to myself. Keep myself to myself. Money me need, bro, me no need you. Chill by myself, no need people. No say you see me, the handline. But if you text me right now, I'm seeing you. Sometimes I wanna be alone. Who no love me, make me chill alone. Me just have a mood swing. No one hear no talking from my phone. I van plan on the internet strong. No worry about nobody, yeah man. Keep myself to myself.
Bala. Where I give my gun salute, Panawana? Where I give my gun salute. Yeah, man, guys, let me know what you think about the song. Let me know what you think about the song in the comment section. Let me know if it's fire, drop the fire emoji. If it's shit, drop the garbage can or shit emoji. If it's garbage, alright. But I think it's a dope ass song. It's a really dope ass song, cause you just, you know, sometimes you just have to build back by yourself and all that meds. You build back by yourself and all that meds. You see me just, you know, just kick back, get the energy and your thoughts and think about, you know, what you gotta do, and you know how you gotta get the energy and to recover and recuperate for all the daily bullshit that be going on. Yeah, man, you have to sit back and all the meds, man, so you can see and focus on what you do and your spirit clean and everything. Yeah, man, you have to take them time out there, man. And not because you know, like people and them things. Sometimes you just have to, you know, kick back and you don't know. You have to separate energy, man, and just take the time out there for yourself so you can recover mentally, physically, all of them things, spiritually, you see me? So, yeah, man, really dope track. Really like the song, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Takeover, Alien Mode. Really dope track. This keep myself to myself. They say me as long as before I'm blood and internet strong. When I need myself, yeah, man, keep myself to myself. Bala. Breathing. Nice sticker vibe. Feel like enough people are coming beat this song, guys, especially during COVID-19. Yeah, man, me feel like let's really beat this song. A real dope track. Let's get finish the track. Let's get it.
Mappy, keep yourself to yourself. I'm in a alien mode, I'm dying on my zone. Right now, I'm just a scroll through my phone. Keep myself to myself. Papi, then keep yourself to yourself. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Do my one thing, but my little time. Airplane mood, nobody call.
Facts, man. Yeah, man. It's a youth, you know, man. Do my thing for my own time, you know. Not everybody kill my vibe, you know. I do my thing. You see me, I do my thing. Nobody, you know. But if you feel no way, can me make people do them thing. The man do them thing, you know, rushing or them thing, you know. You see me? Right. If you know, alright, if you know. You see me? So, you see me, man. The man keep to myself, man. No fuck myself, and you see me? Yeah, man, I just saw thing go sometimes, but no vibe to myself, I feel no way if you see me, I vibe to myself. I have a good time. If you can enjoy your own company, you know. So if man not enjoy their own company, you know what you're doing them, they're not good people, you see me? But you don't know if you can keep yourself to yourself, man, and enjoy your own company. But the back in the truth.
Call my phone line, sometimes it can't bother with noise. Oh, please don't disturb. Chill by myself and I'm all looking world. Yo, what's some steer? More well, me, I kick you one away.
Yo, dog, I see the man, see you texting a dog. Yeah. Alright, come over link him, man. What give me shit, dog? I understand how I go, dog.
From my phone, I find plan on the internet, yo. No worry about.
So I go and dog, I play a card and try to link him, I go and hold the money. Or they just. Yes, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, like I was saying, I walk one. I'm breaking them that I try to link him or holding people the money. I ain't the point. Let's see what I go on. If I'm breaking this, I can't. If I don't play card pocket, I'm trying so you can't get the dog. See that dog, I see message. I say, yeah, man, see message, you know, because see what page you want to go. See what I go on. Very good job, man.
I find plan on the internet, yo. Don't worry about nobody, yeah, man. Keep myself to myself. Yeah, keep myself to myself. Alien mode, I'm dying on my zone. Right now, I'm just a scroll through my phone. Keep myself to myself. Papi, then keep yourself to yourself. Sometimes, man, just a scroll through the internet with me earphone plug in. Don't disturb me, don't run in. You see chop, you can't study.
Sometimes you have to ignore, you know. You ignore your girl sometimes, you know. Make sure I'm worried and think about, oh God, you see me, I want to put females like that, you know. No panic, no serious thing, you know. Sometimes you can ignore a little bit, you know, get like a but like I remember going to do, I'm like, you know, I'm fucking girl, I'm on the party still, but yo, you don't know things.
Sometimes I wanna be alone. Just love me, make me chill alone. Girl, just stay by yourself. And every time man want hits from my phone. Have one plan and the Wi-Fi strong. No,
you know, because you ignore all the video, you want to give us a head and want to say that the pussy. And every time you can't come bribe, man, with that. I have to do. But it's a bill sometimes. I have to come bribe. You know, what's that? Man.
Worry about nobody, yeah, man. Keep myself to myself. Keep myself to myself. Chucky done me, I tell you, say alien mode, I'm dying on my zone. Right now, I'm just a scroll through my phone. Keep myself to myself. Baba, then keep yourself to yourself.
Chop. Yo, chop.
Link this dog, then go link page, dog, you know, let's see what I go on.
What one?
Oh, I'm not the general phone. Why dog there?
Because him up on alien mode, because from morning him not talk to me.
Eh, sometimes I show him there, man.
I wish.
Oh shit. So at the end of the video, oh go on chop, let's see what I go on, man. Let's see what I go on, but look like I'm bridging them still. You see me? But I don't like how video end, man. But yeah, you see me? I'm bridging them dog, I'm dancing him, come link him, my friend him, you see me? Come give him a page, I say, yo, go on, I say, I text him, I play guard, now reply, that on alien mode. You see me? Think cut off. That's a bill, man, you see me? That's why things said sometimes. I don't know, sometimes you just be by yourself and all a meds and just, you know, cut off everything for the you don't know, so that's him good, man. Be have a good too. You know, see me say, no, talk to me, Friday, look like you in the alien mode. But yeah, man. Guys, let me know what you think of the track in the comment section. If you like it, let's drop the fire emoji. This trash drop the trash can or shit emoji, guys. Yeah, man. You already know, real dope track. you know, go ahead and support the artist on his page. He got his Vivos, Takeover Vivo, so go over there, show the artist some love and support if you do like the track. Yeah, so yes, that was another video, really dope track, really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too, guys. Once again, it was your boy Jambisco. Hope you've been staying safe during this pandemic that's been going on. We saying, hope your family is good. Stay tuned, guys, for the upcoming shoutouts and giveaways that's coming. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you get the videos right as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, love you guys for this love and support y'all been showing. Y'all been blowing up the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Continue doing that, man, and the like button, you know. I really appreciate it. And the views, man. Tell us about we can be gonna be the latest channel on YouTube. But don't tell you, we are gonna see it. We are speaking it in our existence, and we are doing it in our existence. You see, we are doing the damn thing. So, guys, just let them know. So, stay tuned for everything that's coming, guys. You won't be disappointed. Don't miss out. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here with a hit, a smash, another banger. Love you guys. Stay safe, and I'm out.